this in the mail today. Oh my, look at this. Pull out sleeve. Brother. Here's the box. As you can tell, Mac Mini. It's the new M2. Isn't that amazing? Now for the reveal. And then we left that out. Oh, it feels so wonderful. Actually, it feels cold. Probably gonna let it sit for a while. Oh, before I do that, and then everybody else does this. Oh, it feels so wonderful. Wow, it is cold. And we open this. Drop it. The main reason I got this, not the only reason, well, I needed more memory, so I could have just got the M2 with more memory. But you needed to get the M2 Pro in order to get 3 monitors. So the 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports. Oh, and then everybody does this. Oh, let's see. Oh, isn't it wonderful? A sticker. Uh-huh. Yeah. And some propaganda. Fun. Now I'm going, oh, and then we've got to do the back. Everybody turns. Oh, isn't that wonderful? Yeah. 4 Thunderbolt ports, HDMI 2.1. USB-A slots, headphone jack, Ethernet jack. I'm sure you're all aware of that. On-off button. Before I do anything more, I am going to let it warm up because it's cold outside and that chassis is cold. So I'll be back maybe